when you come out of the elevator, which is on the opposite side of the foyer doors, there's a motion sensor. So as soon as you come in, the system is going to automatically open the shades, turn on certain lights to welcome you into the space. Part of what comes standard in the building is a wireless touch panel. This device that we've hidden over here actually can be used as an in-wall touch panel. If I press the exit code, I can take it out of the wall, and from this point I can control everything from the lights and shades as well as my TV and music. So if we're about to watch a movie, I can close the shades in the room.
That's pretty neat.
Yep. I can also dim the lights and select my favorite movie from our media server. We have a Kaleidoscape media server which stores hundreds of movies and music, so that I can go through my entire collection, pick a movie that I'm interested in, and if I watch it here, I can watch half the movie here and then stop it, go into my bedroom and finish it there. When you're done watching the movie, just hit the off button. Everything turns off automatically. Every condo at 50 East Chestnut has an AV closet, and in that closet we put the rack of equipment that distributes all the intelligence, audio and video throughout the entire space. So rather than having 5 different DVD players and cable boxes and all these things throughout the apartment, everything goes in one closet, in one rack, and all you really typically have in the room would be a handheld remote, a TV, and speakers. So it really simplifies the distribution of technology by having it in this closet. This closet happens to be climate controlled, so it's thermostatically controlling the environment for the equipment to help it maintain its reliability and so forth. We've also taken all the wiring and come back to this one closet, so it's a great way to distribute from here. If, let's say, a client wants to upgrade a technology, and the latest thing is maybe Blu-ray or that type of technology, and perhaps they have an old DVD player, you just pull the old one out, put the new one in this closet, and then it's automatically going to be distributed throughout the house. So when you do upgrades, it's going to help in that way. This is the master bedroom, and I wanted to show you this remote because the touch panel in the family room is a great product, and you can have all kinds of options, but I can do almost everything that we were doing in the family room with this small handheld remote. I can control the shades. Here, I'm going to bring the shades down because it's a little bit bright in the room. These happen to be blackout shades for sleeping, obviously, but I can also control my lighting, my music, my TV, everything from this remote. And the beauty of this is that this screen here is going to be totally customized for your place. So if you want satellite or cable or DVD or whatever, all those options are going to show up here, but you're not going to see extra things that aren't existing in your home. So unlike most remotes where you have lots of extra buttons that you never use, this particular remote only focuses down or filters down to the specific things that you would be doing. And one of the popular options that we have is a wired touch panel that is kind of like a command center for the whole house. So like the other remotes and touch panels that we looked at, this can do the same things: music, video, lights, shades, heating and air conditioning, and so forth. But with this remote, we're also given the ability to control music throughout the whole house. So what I can do, I can hit this button that says rooms, and what I'm given would be all the different rooms in the apartment and different audio selections. So if I'm entertaining and I want to select from my media library maybe a collection of music for entertaining or dinner or whatever, I can select that, but then I can go through the house and turn it on in every single room. When we're done, we just hit off for each area. I can have independent volume control. If I don't like what I'm listening to, I want to jump to the next thing, I can do that as well. But the beauty is with this command center you're able to kind of control what's going on for the whole space. This is a lighting keypad from Lutron, and with this keypad, we're accomplishing a number of things. First of all, if we didn't have this type of a system, we'd have a big bank of light switches, maybe 5 or 6 switches in some of these major rooms, and it would be confusing to figure out what switch does what and so forth. We'd also typically have some sort of an audio keypad and some sort of a keypad for shades. So with this keypad, I'm able to consolidate everything down to one device. On this side, we have our lighting and then our shade control. And then on this side, we have our music control. So I can, without the use of a remote or a touch panel, I can go around from room to room, turn music on and off, raise and lower the volume. I can control the lights. I can dim specific lights or just turn them all on to a preset level, or I can control the shades. When you're leaving, we have an away button. When you select that, all the shades in the apartment go down, all the lights go off, music goes off. Everything is really set to a kind of a quiet mode, and you don't have to run around the house turning things on and off with this kind of a thing. Just one simple away button and the whole house turns off.